Hey there, money savvy friends. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a game-changing topic that could seriously transform your financial future. Listen up, because saving money isn't about being rich, it's about being smart with what you've already got. Stick around till the end, because I'm about to drop 10 powerful tips that'll help you save your first $10,000. Even if you're feeling broke right now. Let's jump right in. Tip number 1. Shift your mindset. Believe it or not, saving is possible, even if you're starting with just a few bucks. It's all about changing how you think about money. Instead of telling yourself, I can't save, start saying, I can save something, no matter how small. Remember, every journey begins with a single step, and your savings journey is no different. Moving on to tip 2. Track every single expense. I mean everything. Folks, that morning coffee, that impulse buy at the checkout, it all adds up. Use a budgeting app or even a simple notebook to jot down where your money's going. You might be surprised to see where those dollars are sneaking off to. Now, let's talk about tip 3. Cut those money leaks. We all have them, those sneaky subscriptions we forgot about or daily luxuries we think we can't live without. Take a hard look at your expenses and ask yourself, do I really need this? Canceling unused subscriptions and cutting back on daily splurges can free up a surprising amount of cash. Tip 4 is all about following a simple rule. Ever heard of the 50/30/20 rule? It's a game changer. Allocate 50% of your income to needs, 30% to wants, and 20% to savings. If that seems too much, start with just 5% savings and work your way up. The key is to start somewhere and stick to it. Alright, halfway there. Tip 5 is crucial. Automate your savings. Set up an automatic transfer from your checking account to your savings account right after payday. Trust me, you won't miss what you don't see. It's like paying yourself first, and it works wonders. Speaking of savings accounts, tip 6 is to open a separate account just for your savings. Make it a little harder to access out of sight, out of mind. This way, you're less likely to dip into your savings for non-emergencies. Now, let's talk big moves with tip 7. Cut 1 or 2 major costs. Look at your biggest expenses, usually housing, transportation, and food. Could you get a roommate to split rent? Maybe bike to work instead of driving. Or start meal prepping to cut down on eating out. Small changes in these areas can lead to big savings. Tip 8 is all about boosting your income. In today's gig economy, there are tons of ways to make extra cash. Start a side hustle, do some freelance work, or sell stuff you don't use anymore. Every extra dollar you earn can go straight into your savings. We're almost there. Tip 9 is about setting mini goals. Don't focus on that big $10,000 number right away, it can feel overwhelming. And finally, tip 10, stay consistent. Saving isn't a sprint, it's a marathon. Those small wins will compound over time into $10,000 before you know it. Keep at it, even when it feels tough. Remember, you're building a better financial future for yourself. Now, let's break these tips down with some real-life examples. Say you're spending $5 a day on coffee. That's $150 a month. By making coffee at home and putting that money into savings, you're already well on your way. Or maybe you're paying for 3 streaming services. Do you really watch all of them? Cutting just one could save you another $10 to $15 a month. When it comes to big expenses, let's talk housing. If you're paying $1,000 in rent and can find a place for $800, that's $200 a month in savings right there. That's $2,400 a year. Add that to the money you're saving on coffee and streaming, and you're looking at over $3,000 in savings annually. For boosting income, think about skills you already have. Are you good with words? Try freelance writing. Handy with tools? Offer handyman services in your neighborhood. Even just a few hours a week can add up to hundreds of extra dollars a month. Remember, it's all about consistency. Let's say you manage to save just $50 a week. That might not sound like much, but over a year, that's $2,600. Keep that up for 2 years, and you're over halfway to your $10,000 goal. The key is to start now and stay committed. Every time you're tempted to spend on something unnecessary, ask yourself, is this worth delaying my financial goals? More often than not, the answer will be no. So, there you have it, folks, 10 powerful tips to help you save $10,000, even if you're starting from zero. Remember, it's not about how much you earn. It's about how smart you are with what you have. Every dollar counts, and every saving decision brings you one step closer to financial freedom. Before we wrap up, I want to hear from you. Which of these tips resonated with you the most? Are you ready to start your savings journey? Drop a comment below and let me know your thoughts. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more money-saving tips and tricks. And hey, why not share this video with a friend who could use some financial motivation? Together, we can build a community of savvy savers. Remember, your financial future starts with the decisions you make today. So, take that first step, no matter how small. You've got this, and I'm here cheering you on every step of the way. Until next time, keep saving, keep growing, and keep believing in your financial goals. See you in the next video.